welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig to share with you. This is the brand right here, Brennas hair, girl. Now this one is 100% human hair, and girl, wait till you see this unit. This is a full cap human hair wig with a bang. You know I love my wigs with bangs these days. I just love a full cap unit. But this is how you would find them on social media. But girl, let's go ahead and get into this unit. Okay, so inside of the box we have the unit itself. They did include some elastic for added security. Then you would have to sew that in yourself. We got a pack of wig caps. And we got a pack of, ooh, really cute lashes, girl. These are super nice. Look at the lashes. Okay, push through lashes. Super nice. Okay. But let's go ahead and look at the unit. Now this unit is a beautiful highlighted blonde wig with a bang in 22 inches. It is definitely 22 inches. Now all of their information will be linked down below in the description box. So don't skip over it. Look at these highlights. This is so cute. Now this is my first wig like this as it pertains to having a bang and human hair. Yes, she is super cute. Now this is standard cap construction. You have temple combs, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So nice. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little tag out, and we're gonna put her on. Now I love these units because they're just so quick and easy. So quick and easy. Just effortless. We don't have to cut lace. We don't have to use glues, tapes, that thick sticky gel. I just have a problem with that. Got to be glue gel really on my skin. I cannot stand it. I'll do it, but I don't like it. I like the way it looks when the girls do it. I just don't really like the way it feels. But look, let's just look at these colors. OMG. Such a beautiful color combination. I love this. I love this. Now it does have like a the tiniest bit of lace at the top. So it has that swirl top. But the hair feels great. It looks great. Let's just put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so we have our human hair wig installed. Of course, now we can't leave our bangs this straight. So we got to bump them a bit. I have my curling iron, well, my flat iron going right now. So I'm gonna, first of all, shift this wig a bit. Get it straightened out on my head. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and comb her out a bit, get her looking nice and presentable, and then I'm gonna bump these bangs a bit. Now some people like that look. They call that, what, a Chinese bang? I am going to bump them a bit. I may even go in with the scissors a bit and break up some of that bluntness, because I don't really like them when they're just cut straight across, and that's all you do, just snip, snip, snip in there. So they're just not so blunt, just cut upward. That way your wig doesn't look so cosplay-like, if that makes sense. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a comb, run the comb through it, and I'll be right back with my bangs bumps. Okay, so I'm back from bumping the bangs. I'm trying to determine how I like the color on me. I do like the unit itself. I just wish the bangs weren't so blunt cut, but I get it, that is a style. But I think overall it's cute. I like it. I guess I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the day. Like I said, she is 22 inches. Super nice. I'm gonna show you the back. I got a little more cutting to do with these bangs. Like I said, I don't like a blunt, straight across cut. All right, let me show you all the hair to the back. 22 inches. It's nice. I'm actually really liking it. Not too thick, not too thin. I do enjoy the density. Now the link will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over it so that you can check it out for yourself. Okay, she's cute. I like it. Let me know what you think of today's unit from Brenna's hair. How did Miss Brenna do? It's cute. It's definitely cute. I love fast, effortless wigs, and this is definitely that. Human hair. So if you want to tone it a bit to take out some of the brassiness, you definitely can, because like I said, and I keep stressing, this is indeed human hair, but the wig itself is super cute. But yeah, girl, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.